Hi, my name is Professor Neil Heffernan. Myself and Ryan Baker have been conducting a longitudinal study on some of our initial assessment users. That is, we have data, and this competition gives you data from actually students that were competing, that were using assessments in the year 2004 to like 2006. And we've been tracking them, and we know where they went off to college for some of them, and what sort of career they're in. We're giving you a data set of roughly 600 actually odd users, and after you actually agree to not try to de-anonymize this data, and I think it's pretty anonymized, but you actually have to agree to not try to actually track any of these people down. We invite you to actually try to use the types of data that Ryan Baker has been using to great effect to actually see if you can better predict who goes on to a STEM degree. I don't know if this competition is likely to be actually super successful. Like, we haven't really tried actually doing this. We're now releasing this out to you. Ryan and I have written a lot of papers, and with Ryan's students like Sweet Sao Pedro, where we're actually able to better predict things like who does well on the state test at the end of the year, who goes on to college, and whether they pursue a STEM degree actually in college. So this clickstream data that we're giving you, in theory, could actually have a lot of information that might help you predict who's going to go on to a STEM degree. So anyways, lots of details to be had at this website. I welcome you to actually get involved. Ryan and I are hoping to host a workshop of some type where we're interested in looking at your contributions and getting you to talk about them from a scientific angle. I for one, while I like competitions, I also like science. We really want to find out how do we use this as an opportunity to learn something more than just which kids went on to a STEM degree. So thank you very much, and look forward to the competition.